Have you seen those viral miniature food ASMR videos everywhere on social media? Today, I'll show you how to create this kind of satisfying tiny cooking video using Kling 3.0 inside Edimakor. At first, I tried generating the whole cooking process with one single long prompt. The result looked impressive at first, but there were many problems. The ingredients changed randomly, the fish pieces disappeared, hands became distorted, and the AI tried to create the entire cooking story in just a few seconds. This happens because video AI models often struggle with too many actions, objects, and scene changes inside one prompt. So instead of creating the entire video at once, we can use a much better workflow, split the story into multiple short clips. For this fish and chips ASMR video, I divided the process into 4 separate scenes. The first clip focuses only on coating the fish with batter and breadcrumbs. The second clip shows the already prepared fish and fries being cooked in the miniature fryer. The third clip is only for assembling the final dish. And the last clip focuses on the satisfying reveal, cutting the crispy fish and showing the flaky inside. By giving Kling 3.0 one clear action at a time, the AI has fewer things to control, which greatly improves consistency and reduces AI mistakes. I also keep the same style instructions in every prompt, including the miniature kitchen, white tabletop, lighting, camera angle, and food arrangement. This helps every clip look like they belong to the same video. I'll put all the detailed prompts I used in the description below, so you can copy them and create your own miniature food ASMR videos. You can try this workflow with Kling 3.0 inside Edimakor and turn simple ideas into satisfying AI-generated videos.